Storm Intel is reporting a temporary break in the storm far beyond home base. We need to strike now before it's too late. This is an entirely new battleground, so you will be starting from scratch. You'll still have access to your heroes and traps, but your power level and fort stats will be reset in this new theater. Progress made in this new area will not carry over to your main campaign, but some rewards will. Once the season's over, this new theater will be gone. So what are you waiting for? Dive in! Great work, Commander. According to Storm Intel, this theater should remain open for a while. We're able to support new power levels and fort stats for this new theater, but these stats will not transfer to your main campaign. Some rewards you earn will transfer back to home base. Good luck out there, Commander.